So what are your first impressions about the event so far?
Really well organized and really interesting topics and great discussions. I like the format of having panels actually discuss stuff, and for some reason it seems like a very truthful and honest and open discussions as opposed to what I've experienced in the past, I think. Yeah.
So what do you plan to learn from all these panels? What do you want to take home from this?
I think a view of how it is in different markets. So the Nordics, where I come from, is I think a bit different than South Africa or other areas. I think the challenges are basically the same across markets, but we have from my point of view, I think we have a really mature market in the Nordics with a lot of focus on brand safety and third-party vendors and auditing all our activities, and so that's what I'm taking from here, I guess. Yeah. A view of other markets and how they approach these things. Yeah.
For the ones who couldn't watch the event for now, I'd like to ask you about what happened inside. Yeah. Do we need third-party measurement tools to ensure quality in media buying, or are the self-publishing tools, self-publishers, reliable enough?
If we need that, we certainly do. Yeah. So measuring yourself is not a good thing. As it was said inside as well, you'd get better grades in school if you were to grade yourself. So having third-party vendors actually verifying that what you have bought has been delivered is extremely important. And also using multitude of vendors. So not just trusting, putting your trust into one vendor, but testing different systems to see if they agree. And there are, as we talked about, not any standards, so we see a huge discrepancy across the different vendors. So that's an issue.
Thank you very much.